Hi, welcome. If you would like to learn how to braid, stick around and I'll show you. To practice, you'll just need some hair. You can borrow someone's head, your family, friends, or your child. You can use a mannequin or a doll, or even some rope or thread. If you're using a human or a mannequin, just make a section that is a good enough size to practice. I'm going to show you two ways that I place my hands to practice. This is really good for beginners. First, you want to divide the hair into three sections. However, you can get your hands to form three sections. So you have two outside pieces, one inside piece. You're going to bring the left or the right outside piece to the middle, or switch the middle piece with that piece. So bring one of the outside pieces under and to the middle. So again, pick the right or the left outside piece and switch it with the middle piece. Bring it under the middle piece, and now that piece is now the middle piece. I know that sounds kind of crazy, but just watch and repeat it. Once you've brought that piece to the middle, bring the other piece to the middle. So if you start with the right, bring the right to the middle, then next bring the left to the middle. Continue this technique until you finish the braid. So bring the right outside piece to the middle, then switch it, bring the left outside piece to the middle. All of these pieces will keep rotating, but whatever you do, bring the outside to the inside, the right to the middle, left to the middle, and always bring it under. You can also bring it on top into the middle, but it's just easier to start with under. Don't worry about the mess or if it's sloppy, if it doesn't look neat. It's not about that right now. Right now, it's about getting the technique down, learning the technique. And once you get the technique, everything else will come and you'll be able to braid anything. Because if you're braiding a rope, you don't have to worry about extra hair strings hanging out or flyaways, because a rope is only 3 strings. And as long as you know the technique, you'll braid a rope perfectly. So once you get this technique in place, you'll learn to keep the hairs in place and keep it neat. So keep practicing. And don't worry about speed. You'll get that once you get the technique down, and you'll become a lot faster. This is another technique. If you find the first one hard, you're going to use your whole fist. So grab the hair just like this. And then you're going to grab from your pinkies and bring the hair under. Just grab from your pinkies and bring the hair under. So whatever hair is at the bottom of your pinky or at the bottom of your fist, you're going to pull it with your index finger. So grab and pull under. Grab from the pinkies and pull under. Continue to practice both techniques until you find it very easy. And once you get that down, next time we're going to learn how to do cornrows. So thank you guys for watching. Keep practicing. Like, comment, and subscribe.